good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Have a good day, sir. I am Yolanda Chawagan Bugarin, 31 years old, married, high school graduate, Roman Catholic, happily married, and I have 2 children, ages 13 and 10 years old. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am a 4th in the family.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience here in the Philippines as housemaid in 3 years, in 1 couple and 3 children. My duties is to give them vitamins, foods, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and taking care of pets. I have also experience in UAE as housemaid in 1 couple and 4 children, ages 14, 10, 8, and 2-year-old boy. My duties is to give them food, vitamins, cooking, washing, cleaning, marketing, and taking care of pets.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check their temperature and I will call my employer and I will write the instruction.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, humble, trustworthy, hardworking, and obedient.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, especially to Hong Kong, because Hong Kong is a safe country and higher salary. And at the same time, I want to give a better future for my family, especially to my children.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will pray to the Lord and then I will keep myself busy.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I have to be patient and I will talk to them and teach them the good, to be good.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baby shark, toot 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 toot. Baby shark, toot 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 toot. Baby shark. Daddy shark, toot 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 toot. Daddy shark, toot 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 toot. Daddy shark.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me as your housemaid, I promise you that I will do my best to serve you and your family, and I love your children and treat them as my own child. And I am trustworthy, honest, and hardworking.
Okay.